All right, last day of riding here, huh?
Yeah.
Where are we going today?
Crazy Horse and the
Iron
Mountain Road, yeah.
Crazy Horse, we're getting hooked up. So a little bit of backstory here. My salesman at work sold a crane to the mountain carver, a few years back. He's got a good relationship with a guy. He said, hey, I'm going to put you in contact with him. The goal was to get up on the head of Crazy Horse, but it's not open to the public yet. The guy doesn't have access to just take people up as he pleases anymore. A little bit of a bummer because I was really hoping to get up there, but he's getting us in the park and he's getting us the bus ride to the base of the mountain. So, I don't know, pretty cool. Saves us like 30 bucks. Not the end of the world if we did have to pay for it. We've been to Crazy Horse before. We've seen it. We've done it. A little bit different experience here though. So, we're gonna get on the bike, fuel up, and head to Crazy Horse. And then after we do Crazy Horse, we're gonna loop around, which way? Through Custer, take Iron Mountain Road up into Keystone. From Keystone, we're gonna go to Deadwood, and then we're gonna have a nice steak dinner to close out our day. All right, we're gassed up, headed to Crazy Horse. We're going through Rapid City. Then we'll head up through the hills and get to Crazy Horse. So I'm probably not going to record the freeway ride too much, but when we get into the hills, I'll flip the camera back on and we'll go have a good time at the memorial. Rain gear stop.
Thought we weren't gonna use this.
I know, I was thinking like, man, we've got pretty lucky.
And then saw how dark them clouds were and I'm like, dang it.
The thunder's cracking.
It is.
Love me a thunderstorm. As long as my feet stay dry, I'm good. What?
The old reliables never let me down. Unless I fall in the lake.
That's not too bad. All right. Woo woo. God, those things are ugly. How's it going? I was told by Joe I was looking for someone in booth number 1 and to tell him I'm a guest of the mountain.
Brandon?
Yep.
Okay.
That's me. All right. Can you take that? Yep. My hands are soaked. Thank you very much. Yes, please.
I think you're supposed to check in up at the front too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sounds good. Thank you very much. Oh, look at the sun shining on the statue. Do I impress you?
Huh?
Do I impress you?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, huh?
I'm wet.
Yeah, me too. My fingers are so cold. Can you pull that? No, the big index. I can't feel my fingers. Damn it. See that orange machine up there?
Yeah.
Sold by Michael Boyd from Crane Sales and Service. It's gonna go, hold on.
That's crazy.
You don't care.
There's no air dryer.
No hand warmers in the bathroom. I was really hoping for one. I just ran them under hot water. It's burning. Yeah, that was. I think we're gonna be here for a while. Ah, it's raining good now too. Oh, where do you want to go? Just go walk around a little bit. Can you explain to me what the just happened?
I don't even know.
So, we ordered 2 pretzels with cheese. We were having a hard time doing the math for the change, right? Then he pulls change out of a tip jar, and I see that there's some $2 bills in there.
We threw them all off.
I said, yeah, I screwed him way up. These guys already couldn't count change. I saw a $2 bill. I said, hey, is that a $2 bill? He said, yeah. I said, I'll give you, what'd I say? I'd give him 5? I said, I'll give you a 5 for that $2 bill. They're like, really? I'm like, yeah. And then he said, there's 2. I said, all right, well then I'll give you a 6 for the $2 bills. And that just completely derailed that. And then the coffee. Then the coffee ordeal was something else. They couldn't get the cheese out of the dang dispenser.
Now my pretzel's cold.
Is it?
They had them sitting out for 5 minutes while I was trying to squeeze the cheese. But it's okay. I'm a slut for pretzels. I will do anything for a soft pretzel. I will. No, I can't say it. But use your imagination. I love me a pretzel and cheese.
The hope and dreams one day is that Crazy Horse is going to be a backdrop to a Native American college and a medical training facility here on site. Oh yeah, good deal. Now there's probably up to another 6 million tons of rock to come off, but once this is finished, this will be a 3-sided monument. This will also be the largest.
Little change of plans. I think we're gonna skip Iron Mountain Road, right?
I can't see.
I'm still soaked. Oh, nice! All my rain gear hit the floor. That's cool. Yeah, we need to dry off though. So back to the room or what?
Sure.
All right. Sounds good. And I don't think I'm gonna record. What? Camera's been off for a minute.
Has it?
Well, no, I'm talking about like since the last update.
Oh.
I didn't really record riding back or anything. Where did we stop?
I don't know. That's some tattoo shop in. I don't know what city that is.
Hill City?
Hill City.
What do we got
some
tattooed?
cats.
You wanna show them?
No.
Why? You embarrassed? Can't even see it. Put your arm straight.
Gang. Because I caught a fish.
Room is destroyed right now because we're packing.
And I have the worst earache of my life.
We're gonna go have a nice dinner. Believe it or not, I do have nice clothes on under this. I promised her that we'd have a nice dinner. Try to fake her out and get some pizza so she could rest. But she said, no, we're going to get steak.
I want steak.
So we're going...
I'm a steak girl.
We're going back to Deadwood. About 20 minutes away. Nice steak dinner. Get back, pack, sleep, ride home in the morning. I caught that.
My ear, I feel like I'm underwater. Like I cannot make this ear pop whatsoever.
Well, earlier we pretty much were underwater, so maybe
It's just like squishy. I don't know.
Trying to get my shoes and my gloves to dry. I had the hair dryer in my shoes and it shut off. It does not work anymore. So, Deadwood for dinner. And then we'll be back.
Let's go.
Steakhouse number 3. What are you doing?
I don't know how to play this. Let's just start pressing buttons.
Okay.
Fish on.
Well, we didn't get to go to the steakhouse we wanted to go to. Okay. The second best option, they were full. Third best option, they said 45 minutes. It was an hour and a
2
half.
hours later, practically.
Yeah. It was good. Potatoes were cold.
They didn't offer us cheesecake.
Offered us no dessert. Sounds like we're complaining. It was still a good time.
No, but we're also there like 45 minutes after they were already closed.
Yeah.
Because we didn't get our food till then, so they wanted us out of there.
And,
Whatever. I
yeah.
get it.
But got pretty wet on the way back, like more wet than we got today. Like shoes are soaked. We were trying to leave in like, what, 6 hours from right now?
We'll do it.
I don't know. Try not to be all grumpy. I'm just like,
You grumpy goose.
the stress is just like built up. I can feel it, like I'm about to explode.
See what that means.
Like that's just how I get. Yeah, that means you got a job to do. I was thinking about it. I don't think I'm gonna record on the way home tomorrow. I'm already expecting to be cold and everything else.
Wet.
And I think I'm just gonna tuck the camera in the bag, pull it out if something cool happens.
I'm gonna tuck it.
But it's been a really good weekend. I had a really good time with you. Can you? Oh, we've got so much more important stuff to do.
I'm getting ready.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I know you are. I know you're fibbing.
What a fibber.
But thank you guys for watching. Sturgis, always a blast. So cool to see this place without the rally going on. I'd almost rather do this than go to the rally at this point.
I like dressing up for the rally.
Yeah. It would have been cool to come out in like another month from now, maybe, when it's a little warmer. But
yeah, it's kind of cold. It's like super hot at home and hot and humid at home.
yeah, and it is cold and wet here. Crazy what 600 miles will do.
Crazy.
But thank you guys for watching.
Crazy.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. What did I say?
See you in the next one.
No, I said
Subscribe.
I'm talking like Callie.
Yeah.